Hi buddies, welcome to Theo's fascinating program. In this video, we're going to learn about binary left shift operator and binary right shift operator. Let's see how these operators are working. So in binary left shift operator, the binary left shift operator will move to the left by its number of bits. So let me show an example. For example, 12 left shift 2, so you can find the answer is 48. So you may wonder why it is 48. So let me show you why it is 48. So let's take a value. So before that, let's see what is the value for 12 in your Python. So see in your Python, so the value for 12 is double one double zero. So the value for binary of 12 is double one double zero. So now let's work how we get the value. Now let's work with the binary number for 12. So for 12 we got a binary number as double one double zero. So now what we have to do is we have to add a number of bits to its left. So I just add two more zeros. So I have added number of bits, so two zeros I have added. So now I have to convert to the decimal value. So 0 into to the power 0, so we get the answer as 0. Now I just do as the next number 0 into to the power 1, we get it as 0. So again 0 into to the power 2, again it is 0. So again 0 into to the power 3, again it is 0. Now again 1 into to the power 4, so to the power 4 is 16, so we get the answer as here 16. So again the last number 1 into to the power 5, so 1 into to the power 5, we get it as 32. So when we add, we get the answer as 48. So this is the answer for 12 binary shift of 2. So let's see. Now we can find that we got an answer as 12 left shift binary after of 2, we got the answer as 48. This is how the left shift operators works. Thank you. Buddies, let's see now how the binary right shift operator works. Let me show you how the binary right shift operator works. So binary right shift operator. So in binary right shift operator, the left operand's value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. So the left operand, so let me show you the left operand value is moved right by the number of bits. So let's take an example. So 12 right shift binary operator of 2, so we get the answer as 3. So why it is 3? So as I told, the left operand's value is moved right by its number of bits. So we know what is the binary value for 12. The binary value for 12 is double one double zero. So I'll just show you how to work on this. So this is your 12. So we get the answer as double one double zero. So as I told early, so the right number of bits will be removed, so these two will be removed, these two will be removed, so only these two is left. So 1 into 2 the power 0, so 2 the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 we get the answer as 1. And next, again this next number is 1, 1 into 2 the power 1, 2 the power is 1, so 1 into 2 is 2, so we get the answer as 3. So this is how the binary right shift operator works. Let me show you what is the answer. The answer you can find it 12 right shift operator for 2, we get the answer as 3. So this is how the binary left shift operator and binary right shift operator both works. So thank you for watching.